Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm just going to show you a quick way to set up your dimension settings so that when we go into the last part of this assessment you'll be able to do it without any problems. So when your drawing's open, I'd like you to go to dimension. We're going to go to dimension style. I'll automatically have standard. I'm going to hit the little cogwheel here, we're going to go to modify. And I'm just going to run through some of the options for you. So first of all, we've got the line. So colour should be by block. Line type and line weight should be the same. Extend won't be selected. Baseline spacing 0.38. The extension lines here, colour, line type 1 and 2, line weight should all be by block. Position and length, we want to extend the line, dimension line beyond. We want to offset it from the origin. So that is what we're looking at here, where they don't actually touch and it goes beyond the arrow. The symbols and spacing, we want to use the closed filled arrowhead. So they should be all the three. The arrow size 2. The dimension break size, we want 0.13. Center marks, we want it to mark it. So anything with a circle will have this little cross. And the radius jog dimension 45, and we would like the arc length symbol to be above the dimension line, so like here, and the jog height is 2. Now the text, we'll start off here, text style standard. We're just going to open this up, and we want to change up here the size to 3, and it will be Arial, and it will just be regular. We're just going to apply. We can apply that, and once that's done we can close it. Make sure you press apply before you close or it won't save. And then it's by block, fill colour none. Text height's not selected because we've already done that. Vertical, GIS, horizontal, centered. Viewing direction left to right, and the offset dimension line 2mm, so it means the text will sit 2mm above all your dimension lines. And we want the alignment with the dimension line. And then the fit, either text arrows are best fit. We want it over the dimension line with the leader. An overall scale of 1. And then primary units, it'll be decimal, precision 0. And decimal will be just a dot or a period as it's called. We'll go through that way. And angular dimensions, we want decimal degrees, and we want a precision. And once that's done, all we have to do is press OK. And that will have saved our work. And then we can close that. And then we can start to look here. So this one's already been done, one of the sizes. The dimension tools are here. Ones we're going to be interested are the linear. And we can use this one here like so. And we can take, best thing for this is to ensure your snap function's on at the bottom. Just down here. And what will happen is the key or the command will select each part. And you'll be able to show your dimension lines. Like so. So when you go to do your own drawing, you can make sure they line up. Now if you've got dimension lines running beside one another, it's always good practice to have them line up like so. But I'll go through a lot of the dimensions in the next tutorial, but this one is just to make sure you've got your drawing set up the way it should be. Thank you.